bestbookbits.com brings you 5-minute books. Today we'll be going over Be Loved Now by Rhonda. Love is a state of being, not a trip from here to there. Chuckling over the illusions, missteps and potholes along the way is a delight. Unconditional love really exists in each of us. That spiritual self is a source of unconditional love. Love is inside of me. That love and object of love aren't necessarily the same thing. Love is actually a state of being and a divine state at that. Now, this free summary is made possible by my elite personal evolution coaching program. So stop doing life all by yourself. Stop doing goals all by yourself. Become the CEO of your life instead of the worker bee. Work with me privately over 12 weeks while we deep dive into an immersive, life-changing personal evolution coaching program. So connect with me now over Zoom for 15 minutes using the calendar link below, or directly email me at bestbookbits@gmail.com with the headline Personal Evolution, and step into your next evolution now. Can't wait to meet you there. On with the summary. Paradoxically, we have to let go of emotional love to find the soul love that emanates us from within. My mind had to stop for my heart to open. Shifting our identification from the ego to the heart mind is the beginning of individual spiritual work. When love comes together with awareness, the door is open to the heart, mind, and the soul. When I'm in touch with my soul, I live in an environment of the soul, which gives others the opportunity to enter their soul too. I am is loving awareness. That's how you really serve God, by bringing others into their souls. Love everyone and serve everyone. One way of remembering to stay in the heart is to hang out with other people who are on the same journey. Practice makes perfect. Being is dying by loving. Then when you look at another being, you are looking at love. Love with no object. Know that when you learn to lose yourself, you will reach the beloved. Love is a state of being, not a trip from here to there. All beings are on an evolutionary journey. Amid this divine play, we seek fulfillment, perfection, flow, freedom, enlightenment, oneness. The dominant quality of form is change, because all forms are in time. Attempting to hold on to anything in time is ultimately futile and a cause of much suffering. Slowing my mind down enough to be in the moment. Opening yourself to more spiritual energy. Through words and pictures, we speak to one another about the unspeakable. The paradox of the one is that when the ego dissolves, there's an experience, but no experiencer. If a person still identifies with thought, forms, or desires, the work is not complete. Love is what lets you dive into the emptiness behind form. Love is the emotional color of the soul. Unconditional love is the color of enlightenment. You just use the illusions you karmically need to get there. A perfected being, living in harmony with the universe with no clinging whatsoever. Perfected beings rest in emptiness, in presence, in non-conceptual, non-differentiated awareness of every moment. The Leela, the divine play. The only thing a man must renounce if he wishes to attain the supreme truth is the notion of individuality, nothing else. The outer world becomes the inner journey. Your work is to practice contentment and surrender. What's a guru? Guru literally means remover of darkness, one who can enlighten you. Once we get free of time and space, everything is just consciousness and energy. Every moment is the moment. The guru manifests when the devotee is ready. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. The shift from the ego to the soul happens through love. Synchronicity is a wake-up call. We all have different guises and costumes and appear on stage in different scenes playing different characters. We're all parts of the jigsaw puzzle of each other's karma. The only thing you can ask is that you keep awakening at the faster rate at which you're capable of. Faith is not a belief. Faith is what is left over when your beliefs have all been blown to hell. And last, grace lubricates your way, smooths it out, and makes it easy, speeds it up. Now that's wrapping this summary, Be Loved Now by Rhonda. If you want the full, complete summary, click the link below to download this. Now, I just want to again thank my paid elite coaching program clients who've signed up to my personal evolution coaching program. So stop doing life for free, start paying the fee. It hasn't worked out for you so far, doing goals and life all by yourself. Why not speed that journey up? Partner with me, 12 weeks. Click the link below. Let's jump on a free pre-coaching call on Zoom. And let's work together now. Thanks for watching and listening. Have yourself an amazing day. Take care and be loved now. Bye-bye.